Welcome again to the Digital Life with Joel. Now, within this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the arrow keys when navigating through Excel. Now, if you're an Excel user and you use it daily, you should know how to use the arrow keys while navigating into your Excel file. As you can see, within this video, we're going to see the most important thing whereby we can use our arrow keys within our Excel sheet. Now, first of all, arrow keys are primarily used for navigation, selection, and editing within the Excel. Okay, and whereas their behaviors can change depending on your current mode of key combinations. Now we have three basics which can define the arrow keys. First one, the basic navigation. In this, the arrow keys alone move the selection box exactly from one cell up and another cell down. Okay, then from right and to the left. The second one, the fast navigation and selection, whereby when you press Ctrl arrow, it jumps directly to the left or to the right of your data range. Okay, and when I pressed Shift arrow, this extends my current cell selection box by one cell in that direction. And another thing, when I press Ctrl Shift arrow key, it instantly selects all cells from your current position to the very last edge of what it could be. Okay, then the third thing, it's used in formulas and editing, text editing. Within this, whereby when you inside your cell, this activates the edit mode. Okay, pressing an arrow key moves that text cursor character by character left or right inside your text or formula. So whereas inside the cell in the entire mode, if you just double clicked or typed a formula, pressing an arrow key will insert a new cell reference into your formula instead of moving the cursor. Okay, now we're going to see step by step on how we can use our arrow keys and why are they important. Okay, now as you can see on my screen, I have again my simple dataset, employee dataset. Okay, now within here, now just imagine I have thousands of rows, thousands of columns, and I want to navigate to up till down and to right to left. I cannot go on and scroll till the last. This will take time. It will be time consuming. Okay, so within that I'll be using the arrow keys. So if I press my mouse here to the column or to the cell I want to navigate to, so I'm in this column A and I want to go to the very last column or to the very last cell where I have my data there. So I cannot go all the way down searching it. It will take more time. So what I'll do within this, I'll just use the down arrow key with the help of Shift or Control arrow or Control Shift, whichever I want to do with it. So if I select my first cell here, then I press Control, then arrow key down, it will take me definitely to the last bottom cell. Okay, now when I want to go right side, again I'll press Control, then I hit the right arrow key. it will take me to the last cell on my right where there is my data. And assuming I want to go back to the top, I cannot go again and scroll all the way down. I'll press the Ctrl plus the arrow key up to go to the very top cell of my data. Now, that is the first thing we're using the arrow key when you're navigating through your data set. Okay. Now, the third thing when using the formulas. Okay. Let's say I want to use the VLOOKUP function here. Let me type VLOOKUP. Okay. Now it asks me for the lookup value. Okay. The value I want to look up or the range I want to look up, something like that. So let me click here. I want to search all my entire range. So I click my first cell here where there is my data. I can now go hold on and hold my mouse or the keyboard key and I drag it all the way down. This will be time consuming. Rather, I'll use what we call the arrow key. Okay, if I don't use that, I'll press VLOOKUP again. VLOOKUP, I hit my first cell. Okay, I press Ctrl Shift on my right side. As you can see, it selected my data in my first row. Then I hit Ctrl Shift down key to select the entire data range. That is the importance of arrow keys, okay, in Excel. If you are an Excel user, you should master this and you should be knowing this because it saves time and easy to use. Okay, I'll put my comma here. So it asks for me for the table area. Okay, I'm just giving an example, but this is not the way how we're using the VLOOKUP. Okay, so assuming I want to give this column for the job titles. Okay, again I'll put my mouse there, or I'll put my mouse to my first cell. I select it, then I press Ctrl Shift all the way down. As you can see, simple. Rather than scrolling till the last, it will take time and it will be time consuming. So that's how we're using the arrow keys within the Excel. So master this and everything will be okay. Okay, thank you. If you found this video useful, make sure you give me that subscription, give me a like, and follow for more videos like this in Excel. Thank you.